ashes on my sleeves, smoke in my lungs. I'm counting my teeth as if I counting what I've done. Heat on my back, cracked ground beneath my feet. Every step forward feels like walking on sand. But you lean so gently, as if it were nothing. Names on the walls, scraped with fingernails. Every little failure, every ghost, every scale. You take my hand as if it were just a corridor. Say, look ahead, it's already far away. You speak as if it were rain falling on me. Only you, with just a few words, can extinguish the flames of hell, so I can pass calmly. Can pass calmly. Say it once and the ground stops shaking. Say it twice and the chains begin to break. In the roar I still hear you softly. Keep walking, keep walking. You're past this.